Kaur and I am in the category under 10. This is my 3x3 Rubik's Cube which has been shuffled by the algorithms which you have given. Now let me show you. This is the stopwatch. Now let me start solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in 3, 2, 1, start! Solve the Rubik's Cube in 49 seconds, 32 milliseconds. Now let me show you the Rubik's Cube. The algorithm which I have used to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube is: first I match the middles and then match the corners of a color. After this, I match the last two layers of that color. After this all is done, I have used these algorithms to solve the entire cube. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.